Welcome back. It's week 6 and we're doing lavender again, amethyst. And I have kind of a moody, dark theme for my ATC cards. And all these other ones I see are so bright and cheerful. I like mine and it fits my style. But I wanted to see if I could go just a little bit lighter and still capture my style. So let me know what you think of this one when we get to the end. I do like the challenge of staying in the same color for the entire month and not the same shade. I'm gonna change shades of the purple. So follow along and I'll see you at the end. Here we are, week 6. If you've been watching for a while, you kind of know all the different steps that I take to make one of these cards. But this envelope had everything I wanted all in one. There was this little slip that they had put on there. I love that aging on that envelope. And then I like the postage due. We're going to use some Painterly Maximalist, which is a nice purple. And the first thing that we're going to do is go in with the DIY bead board and cover the card with the beadboard first. The Maximalist and Painterly colors from DIY will cover a lot better if you use white first. So we went in with just the beadboard and let that sit up for just a bit, and then went in with the Maximalist. And this is a DIY product. It's one of my absolute favorites to work with. If you are interested in the Painterly paints, they are listed on my website at thepaintedphotographer.com. So we painted this card in the Maximalist, and I just kept futzing with it until I kind of liked how it matched the postage due stamp over on the left-hand side. Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me. Now I'm going to tear off all these elements on this one envelope that I really like. And this bee, he just had my heart. I know he's not lavender, but he matches lavender. He's got yellow and blue and pink, and all of those colors go really well with the lavender. So we're just going to tear all of these parts out and put them on the card, and I'll let you watch this process. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. Guitar. Yeah. All right. Wouldn't lie to you. Doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold.
what you're putting in. All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I gave it all to you for too There must be another way. There must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be more to the reason why we do it all for love. There must be more for a reason, and a little bit of.
There you have it. What do you think? If you want to follow along, order any of these products, head on over to thepaintedphotographer.com and I'll ship them right to your front door. Until next week, happy painting.